Oh my God, guys, just like you read on the title, Instagram hashtags are back. In case you were wondering why I'm not getting the normal reach with my Instagram hashtags, well, it was because Instagram turned them off because of the election. So let's talk a little bit about that and how now that you have back your hashtag walls, you can take advantage. Now, if you're new here, please subscribe. I'm Jessica Campos with marketingforgreatness.com, the recovery attorney that turned herself into a forensic digital marketer, and I will help entrepreneurs and marketing teams to build their brands and monetize it. So, hashtags. If you are new to the hashtag world, and typically small business owners, they hear all these things about marketing and they're like, I don't know what that means, and I don't have the time to find all the details because it seems really confusing and probably like a foreign language to you. Essentially, hashtags are not new to Instagram as many people believe. Hashtags were created by Twitter. And what happened was they realized quickly that the Twitter feed was too fast, just like Instagram. And what they wanted was to have the opportunity to use the hashtag, which actually it's part of a code that indexes the content. So that was when hashtags were created. Instagram uses that feature as well. And when you actually add a hashtag, that means that your content will be added into something called a hashtag wall. What happened was during the election time, Instagram partnered up, of course, with the whole board committee and the whole 9 yards. And they decided that they didn't want to be accused of participating in stealing elections or anything like that. I don't want to be political here, but that's the fact. They didn't want to be influencing their audience. They didn't want to be accused again. Because that happened before, and they decided that they just were going to shut down one of the features of hashtags, which is called recent post. Now, does that mean that you have been using hashtags over the last couple of months and they don't work? They work, but what happened was that the recent posts were hidden. So normally you will see, because of that, a decrease on engagement, a decrease on the reach. In case you want to know how can you compare, definitely want to check one of the or a few pictures on your feed. Click on analytics and you'll be able to see under that picture how are you reaching people. Now, going back to what is happening just today, the PR team from Instagram, and in case if you're not following that account, you want to follow the PR team from Instagram because they are always keeping marketers on top of their game. And if something happens with the platform, if there's a change or people believe that they're doing something with the algorithm, usually the PR team, it's going to be the one responding those comments. So follow them on Twitter. I'm going to just put you their account here so you can follow. So right now, 22 hours ago, as I'm filming this video, they are officially saying that in the US, they are unblocking those hashtag walls. Now, with that being said, you might want to be strategic now coming up with a new campaign, or if you're planning your goals for the next 6 months or the next year, you certainly want to be strategic when it comes to hashtags. Now, you came to this video because you wanted to hear the updates with the hashtag walls, and I'm going to honor that. But I'm going to tell you, if you want to learn more hashtag strategies, hashtag hacks, and how can you take advantage as a small business owner trying to get leads and sales using Instagram marketing, please leave me a comment below and say more hashtag training, and I'll be more than happy to create more content just for you. And please subscribe, because that will be a way for you to tell me that this content is worth it, and then we can create more content just for you. Bye for now.